exactly.
How is it doing with the curbs? Ah, I'm actually...
I think you had the best picture up there. Like.
That's a fancy looking car, I must say, and that is a fancy looking man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. You may remember him and the badge of this car from last year, coupled with a Turkish license plate, because this is a TOGG.
Exactly.
Yeah, from Turkey. So is it the first Turkish, well, first Turkish EV, right? Or
No, it shouldn't be.
but
That might be the first mass production one, yeah.
yeah, of course. Last year we drove the SUV version.
Exactly.
This year we're driving the sedan version. You promised me the performance version.
In April, they already start selling. He couldn't afford it financially, so. In April, they promised us to land one of those, so
Nice.
I'll bring you one. But first, taste the basic version.
Yeah, the basic, yeah. So the performance one is going to have two motors, one in the back, one in the front.
Exactly.
This one has just the back, nothing in the front.
Like a 996 Porsche.
Yeah.
Has the same feeling.
Yeah, nice. So empty on the front and all the party in the back. We are on some interesting tires. Hankook electric something, somewhere. Well, yeah, approved for electric use, which means low resistance. It means usually low grip. And this is what you definitely want to have on a very cold almost December. I want to say mid-November, but time flies when you're having laps.
Those are one of those components that are improving your braking style. So you have to modulate.
Yeah. And you'll be braking and be like T10F. Yeah, anyway, bad jokes.
Basically, you have a much better aero right now compared to the old one. So it goes like a much better range.
Mm-hmm.
Handling wise, different.
Okay.
Different than the SUV.
Is this a factory color, first of all?
I think he wrapped it.
Okay.
You already wrapped this car, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I would be surprised if but
There's a satin wrap on it.
yeah, but it's nice. Yeah. Good looking. But also the interior, even last year I was kind of pretty much impressed with the interior quality. How it looks like. Screens, lots of screens.
Most of your audience are mentioning kilometers per second.
Ah.
It's warp speed. It's basically seconds saniye in Turkish. It means
Okay.
seconds. Saat, so S corresponds to saat,
Yeah.
not to seconds. So people
Okay.
are, comparing to the warp speeds. No, it's not like that.
Nice. We have some infotainment here, the gear selector, the infotainment selector, and all the other stuff. And the
That's
space in the back.
much better, finishes right now compared to the SUV model. They improved
Yeah,
a lot.
it looks good.
Plastic quality.
Mhm.
Once you touch them, you will understand the feeling.
Mm.
I mean, it's a high-end car. Like the finishing quality.
What's
material
the
quality.
price of this?
I think this one is around 35,000 euros.
Okay.
Correct me. European market.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's quite okay.
Nowadays you cannot get anything decent under 40, 45, so this is actually quite okay. What's the power?
Like the same one, slightly over 200.
Yeah. Rear-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Big sand.
Now there's.
Can you switch off TC?
Sorry.
Last year we couldn't switch off traction control.
If
could
you're
we?
under 10 kph,
Okay,
you
nice.
can do donuts. But
Okay.
once it understands, if you put slightly steering angle, it understands that you're doing some kind of a gymkhana attempt.
Illegal
It says no.
maneuvers. Yeah. It's a proper dadmobile. Yeah.
But
Nice.
it feels quite natural. Like SUV model, you can trail brake. This one, you have to drive it like a Porsche right now.
On, off.
My experience
Okay.
yesterday. Like you have to finalize your braking and enter the corner with the power.
Can you show us the front space?
Wow.
Ah. So it's not really trunking.
There is an empty space underneath.
So that's for the motor, for the performance version. Alright, so we do have some space, like thing on the front, but we have no frunk. That's a little downside, but
Yeah, obviously they engineered this car to be as an all-wheel drive car, so there is that space.
yeah.
What I'm impressed about the knuckles, they're like a performance car.
Okay.
They're quite gigantic.
Okay. That's
So
good.
the most of the driving feeling is coming from those carriers and knuckles, as you know.
Okay. Yeah. The brakes are alright sized. I've seen worse. I mean, the pad seems in decent shape. All right, I guess that's kind of it for the intro. Let's do a very wet, almost December lap. I think tomorrow is going to be December, actually.
This Black Sea surface you can experience.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go. So we are on track, almost. Well, we made it through the barrier. First mandatory disclaimer. Where's this guy next to me? Because he said it's like November. Did you not stop taking passengers? I said I would stop taking people in their own cars who I do not know, that I do not trust. This guy I know for over 10 years. So he's done more crazier stuff than I did. And if he's gonna try to sue me for mental health damage, I'm gonna say you drive crazier than I do. Anyway, we are accelerating.
We both became dads, you know, like.
Also that, yeah, also that. They're almost a year apart.
Yeah.
But I was one of the first people to know that you became a dad, and you were one of the first people to know that I became a dad. So we're actually very close. So
I received a message from him. A co-pilot is coming up for you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, exactly. All right. So acceleration linear for 200 horsepower is quite all right. The suspension is very nice and soft and compliant, especially for these kind of weather conditions. Mm-hmm. Tires, of course, non-existent, but very. It's all right. So I'm actually flat on the gas right now, which is fun. Okay, so come on, chop, chop, chop. The traction control really doesn't allow us to do any fun, unfortunately. We cannot switch it off. But the controllability is actually quite good. The balance is good because I really would want to do some naughty stuff in the wet because the chassis feels very compliant, but unfortunately TC doesn't allow us to. So this shows that the most important thing is that the chassis dynamics are really, really good.
Mechanical grip, we call it.
Yeah.
We have those.
Yeah, whether you have power or not, I mean, that's not the purpose of the car. You wait for the performance model and then you can have all the power in the world that you could have. Yeah, it's, on one hand, it's a bit unfortunate that you keep bringing me cars in like wet and snow conditions. Because I think, oh, that was a nice one.
Yeah.
Like, if you don't put too much steering angle, then I think the car will allow you to slide a bit.
Exactly.
How is it doing with the curbs? I'm actually...
I think you had the best picture up there. Like.
We were like, actually...
On the picture, the people will notice the yaw angle we have.
Actually, it's there's a bit of nice trail braking happening. This is actually... also dangerous when the car gives you so much confidence because then you start doing stupid stuff.
The Dynamics is one of those cars that it makes you feel that you're on the limit on the front tires, so you can stay with the understeering and you will understand what's going to happen.
Yes. Yeah, so essentially I think when you put a bit more horsepower, so like in the performance version, you'll end up with quite a good beginner track learner car because, oh, that's actually nice. You know, I really like this.
Yeah, handling wise it's superb. I wasn't expecting as well.
Yeah. So, you drive TCR car in NLS and N24. How does this compare to a TCR car?
I say day and night is not even let's say.
175, I guess it's speed limit.
It's like comparing something mathematically explainable to something that mathematically non-explainable.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, we hit the speed limiter of 175.
Exactly.
Yeah. So there's some... That's really not bad.
What I found it a bit odd about the ABS is, I don't know, maybe they didn't calibrate this ABS for these tires, maybe. He directly understood how to drive this car. Less steering inputs, modulate everything with the throttle, and TC does everything for you.
Yep. It's nice. Yeah, I like it. I mean, I'll be honest, I don't remember how the other SUV drove last year because it's too many cars, too many laps ago. But it's really not bad. Ooh. Who's calling us? Or is
I don't know. I think the line something maybe. The biggest understeering, I had it here, obviously.
Yeah, here you need to really like be wait. Last day.
Might be the first guy is actually screaming to a photographer. He heard me.
It's video. It's Nathan from Stateside Supercars.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah. So, but yeah, that was quite fun. I really enjoyed the handling. Like I'm just missing like 100 horsepower more. Even at that, like woohoo! It's just the ability to switch off TC, that would make it such a like silly fun car.
Imagine maintaining at least 20% of the power in the corner entry, so you can align the front nose directly
Yes.
with the throttle.
Oh, dude. Ah! That was my mistake, because why am I braking on the dry line? Because I haven't driven the track for like almost a month. But then again, we were also not going too fast. But yeah. Stay off the dry line, kids. Especially on braking zones in Cullenhart. Because the gravity will pull you down. In this case, gravity is a hater. It pulls you down.
Unless you didn't erase the let's say the winter software from the ABS.
Yeah.
It's quite
Sure.
sketchy. Miss.
Yeah, all the misses. Wow. There was tiny slides. You could not see it on camera, but we could definitely feel it. It's really like what's called sad time of the year, because it's everything, like the leaves are gone. It's just like winter without being.
Color is nice, by the way. Like I like the autumn colors.
It's all right. It was better like
Yeah.
2-3 weeks ago. It was like proper gold, and now it's like not much is happening. Well, last week the track was even closed because it was covered in ice and snow. So this is not too bad. This is the sketchiest corner in the wet. So
I have a small mark
yeah, do you?
with TCR, like tiny kiss.
Yeah. I have a big mark with
I
the
know.
M240. I think everyone knows it. Woo! That's when the back wheels touched the dry line and then said like, oh, there's no grip. But again, I'm having a very nice lap. It's pretty fun. No, she's taking picture from the back. Rebecca, I think it was.
Bark.
Work. Choo-choo. Understeer. Get the grip. Woo-hoo. And I was gonna lose grip. Oop, tiny bit. Yeah. And now we can talk about our days. So, but actually, you do not want to be going faster in these conditions here. Actually,
This car is quite safe, basically. My second lap, I was holding the steering wheel only with using my on the left hand, basically. Because you predict everything with the steering.
Yeah. Can you use the? No, I think you now need to start using the wet line, because last year you could still take the dry line there in that corner, but now I think not so much anymore, because it was resurfaced slightly.
Flat out mudkurve, maybe.
No, absolutely not, bro. I see like this shiny tarmac. It's already understeering. Like, believe it or not, but we're losing grip.
I only had a scary moment yesterday.
Yeah?
I tried to make it flat out. It was wow.
No. Not in these conditions. Oh, this is still okay. New tarmac. Alright. Yeah, they say the proper beginner's car is a car with no horsepower whatsoever, so this is actually fits very nicely.
It's one of those strange occasions that the weight is actually becoming your advantage in
Yes.
slow sections.
Yes.
You will be amazed in the carousel.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
I'm quite surprised how the TC is working. Look.
Oh. Yeah,
Keep them inside. Keep them inside. Two wheels.
Come back. Yeah.
You should put.
We have met our match, our contenders.
Two Dutch plates, basically.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, on this, when it steps out there.
Most of the people are having their biggest moments in this corner. Like,
yeah. Like that.
You know my story, right? With the music, classical music.
No?
Yeah, I make a full snap oversteer here.
Okay.
With the 130 full hot mode in the wet.
Okay.
I'll show it to you later on. It's amazing.
Okay. I had a big moment there, like with also with music. Listening to Chris Ree and driving with Maggie. It was like full opposite lock here. Went on the grass, full opposite lock, and catched it. And like, oh, that's fun.
So, you can take the full curb here. It looks amazing on the pictures.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, last year after driving the TOGG, we decided to take my BMW with the A52s in 6 degrees full wet.
Are you still building your Clio?
Clio is still there. He's in his pension right now.
Suspension?
No, pension.
Pension, okay. Whoa!
Ice mode, right?
Yeah.
Brunchen.
I mean, that's the typical YouTuber problem. We're like, oh, Brunchen, let's do silly stuff. Ah, new tarmac. Grip, grip, grip. All the grip. Woo! What are you driving next year?
Nothing, maybe.
Oh.
As becoming a dad, I don't wanna. Yeah, I wanna use most of my time with my kid right now. I'll
That's
return
smart.
back in 2 years.
Especially now that you now get all the milestones with them.
Those moments are priceless.
Yeah.
So,
Yesterday I witnessed Marco crawling for the first time, and was together with Maggie, and that was actually very nice.
it became everything instantaneously, right?
Yeah. So, bro unlocked all-wheel drive. But I totally understand that.
I flew once in the race from this curb with the V2T car doing 220 something. Like,
Okay.
somehow I didn't die, so.
That's good. That's always good when you don't die. What time is it? Ah, it's 11, huh? No pancakes. Sad. I'll just go get coffee at Racetretta then.
Man.
Oop.
There's plenty of traction in that gravel. You ever get there? Like,
Did
I
you
wasn't
try?
expecting like.
You tried it?
Yeah, in the race.
Yeah. Oh, Mike, hello.
I had to pass someone, and I decided to take the outside line. I was
on
watching
the
a lot of
gravel.
MotoGP, so.
All right. They pass on the gravel in MotoGP?
Yeah.
Nice.
No, not obviously on the MotoGP, but like the outside maneuvers, like.
Woo.
Let's see the top speed run.
Oh yeah. Well, it's not gonna be faster than 175. We found out that.
We're gonna reach 170 before reaching the Audi bridge.
You think so? No.
40, 50, 60.
No.
Yeah, you're missing out 10 kph. Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, speed limit. And we should. Well, we've done a top speed run. That's one of the few cars where you can hit the top speeds before when you come up before coming up. That's nice. Kind of enjoy that. Like just a nice November lap with no grip, no power, and still no grip.
So
It's very nice.
it's the best center basically to understand the chassis dynamics.
It is, and it works very good. Like the chassis calibration is fantastic. So that's a very good job because it's very controllable. I was sad that TC was slowing us down because I wanted to do silly stuff because I knew that the car could do it. Sometimes you're happy that the car is slowing you down because you know otherwise you would be in the wall. But this was good. What is that? Omoda? Where's our friend?
It's
Oh,
up
there he
there. The shiny head.
Alrighty. Tup, 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 tup. Hello.
How was it?
It was great.
Yeah.
I loved it.
Nice. Everything was okay?
Absolutely.
Great.
Well, except for that we didn't have, we couldn't switch off traction control because it was, because you could really play with this car.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's really nice, but yeah, you cannot have it all.